Welcome to the Kokeb Enterprises Limited site induction. Your safety is our top priority. This mandatory induction video will guide you through the essential site rules, key personnel, working hours, and critical safety procedures before you begin work. Welcome to Kokeb Enterprises Limited. We are committed to maintaining a professional, efficient, and above all, safe work environment for everyone. Completing this site induction is mandatory. It ensures you understand all site rules and safety protocols, which are non-negotiable for anyone working on our site. Next, let's meet the key people you need to know on site, including supervisors and emergency contacts. Your site supervisor and key contacts are here to support you. Always know who your immediate supervisor is and how to reach them for non-emergency issues. Please make a note of these essential contact numbers. Emergency numbers must be visible and accessible at all times. Understanding site working hours and access requirements is crucial for operational efficiency and security. Official site working hours are strictly specified hours. Unauthorized access outside these times is prohibited unless approved by the site supervisor. Access to the site requires displaying a valid ID and wearing mandatory PPE. All personnel must log in and out at the designated entry point. Safety is paramount at Kokeb Enterprises Limited. Let's cover the essential safety rules you must follow. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is mandatory. This includes hard hats, safety vests, safety footwear, and any other gear specified for your task or area. Pay close attention to all site safety signage. They are placed in high-risk areas to protect you and your colleagues. Adhere to all warnings and instructions. In the event of an emergency, clear procedures must be followed to ensure everyone's safety. The muster or assembly point is clearly identified on site maps and signage. In an emergency, proceed immediately to this location and await instruction. Know the fire and first aid protocol. If you discover a fire, raise the alarm immediately. For injuries, contact the designated first aider and emergency services. Here again are the emergency contact numbers. Ensure you have these saved and know how to call for help quickly. You are now aware of the core site rules and safety information for Kokeb Enterprises Limited. Remember, adherence to all site rules is mandatory. Following these guidelines protects you, your colleagues, and the project. We are committed to providing a safe workplace. We expect your commitment to safety in return. Thank you, and welcome to the team.